this video, you will learn how to apply transitions in your video. If you have a video and that is looking very simple, then you can make your video very good looking and professional by applying the transitions at different places. Like I have this video file, it has different clips here, here, and here. In order to apply the transitions, you have to have your video in multiple clips. Now, if you want to enter from previous clip to a new or next clip, you can apply the transition in between the two clips. Like here we do not have transitions between these two clips. You can see that when we play this video, it seems or it looks a very simple and ordinary that does not give a good look. Now, when you apply the transitions, like I apply the basic transitions like this, I will drag and drop on the cut area. You can see that it looks very good and very professional from transferring from one clip to the next or to another. Let me show you another transition effect like this. I apply it here. It seems very good looking. Like I apply this in this area. It does not have that much impact. Let me delete this one and apply this one. You can see, apply this one here. You can see that we can make our video look very good or look very professional by applying different transitions in the areas where the clip goes from the previous to the next. So I hope you like this video. If so, then please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more tutorial.